Hi guys. Yes, so this is Uncle Boo's birthday vlog. And Uncle Boo is actually in the gym right now. So I just said I'll just wait behind. I'm feeling a little tired and all that. But I wanted to make this video. So I bought Uncle Boo some gifts. I just wanted to give him some gifts, just make the birthday a little special. He kept shouting, I don't want anything, no, I don't want anything for my birthday. But I'm like, I mean, I just have to try and just do something, right? So, yeah, so I'm going to just be wrapping his gift. It just occurred to me yesterday to like wrap his gifts and put up like some decoration on the wall. I didn't want to do that before. Not that I didn't want to do that, but it didn't like occur to me to do that before. But I was like, why not? When I thought about it, I was like, why not wrap the gifts? Why not put up a little decoration? And that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the official beginning of the vlog. We'll just take you guys along on everything. It's just basically going to be him unwrapping his gift and us going out to dinner later in the evening. So yeah, come along with us. And comment below happy birthday Uncle Boo, every best wish, every congratulations you want to give him. Just bombard him with wishes down below, okay? All right, guys. Yeah, guys. So I just finished wrapping his gift and he's still at the gym. So yay me. I mean, that was like the fastest I've ever wrapped any presents, I believe. But anyway, they are not too big like in size, so they're just few presents just to show my love and appreciation. And to wish him a happy birthday. So yeah, that's it. So see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys. Today is February the 13th and tomorrow is Valentine's Day. And yes, you guessed right, it is my birthday. And but I'm still the one going about looking for gifts now. So even though it's my birthday, it's still Valentine's Day and I have to get my wife a Valentine's gift. So come along, come along with me. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. We are the Stalwart lovers and you're gonna love it here. We talk about our faith, we speak on relationships, and of course we talk about life issues from a Christian perspective. So right about now, I'm going to get my sister Bay a gift. Okay, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share. All right. I have to just leave work quickly to go get my baby a gift. I already ordered it. I just need to pick it up at the store. So I'm sure she already got me stuff. I mean, it's my birthday. But this year, I don't know. I'm not just so, Oh, there's a parking space here. Lucky for me. Yeah, awesome. Lucky me. Okay. So, what was I saying? I mean, this year, my wife wanted us to, do something, like go take like vacation, just hotel visit, just sleep at a different place for 2 days, somewhere in Toronto, one luxurious hotel. I'm like, babe, not this year, okay? I just really feel so humble, so quiet, so low-key. I don't know. Doesn't mean I'm not freaked. I'm freaked. I mean, it's my birthday. But I'm more encompassed with, I don't know, reflection. I think I'm more filled with reflection and, I don't know. It's a big year. This year is the year before the big year. And it's a lot to be done. So, work plenty. Maybe that's why I'm just like this. But and regardless, I'm buying my wife a very expensive gift. She deserves it, the best for the best, all the time. No matter how much money I don't think I have. I'll break my bank for my wife. Yeah, always, always, because I love my wife. Okay, let me go and get the gift and be back home before she wakes up. She was just taking a nap when I left. By the way, it's like the weather is beginning to give us a taste of spring because I mean this is still February 13 and the snows have reduced. It was 8 degrees before I left the house. I mean, just think about it. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's giving spring vibe. Spring and fall is the best weather of the year, guys. Awesome, to be honest. Okay. So this year I'm not getting too many things. I'm just getting one gift, but one gift that, of course, is worth it. You know what I mean? Some shorts. Yeah. Okay. In the mall, heading to where I'm gonna get it later. But see as I fresh. Hey God, birthday boy. Freshness overload. Freshness overload. Have you seen a fine boy today? Have you seen? Yeah. Yes. Okay, got it. That's right. Yeah, so I have gotten it right here. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You'll find out when she opens it. Yeah, but once again, I ordered online at apple.com and I got here and they had cancelled my order, so I had to pay again. Thank God they had it in store. And yeah, I have it now, waiting for them to refund me my money. That should take about 2 weeks, but it's all good. We'll be fine. This one that's over to cool, so why? And they are now still double charging me because of the cancelled order. It is well. Happy Valentine's, everyone. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're not having dangerous fun. Make sure you're having the good kind of fun. You know what I mean? Alright. See you guys tomorrow. I think I'm still gonna get her like flowers because she likes flowers. I never knew she likes flowers until her last birthday. So I'll probably get flowers and that would be it. Alright, ciao ciao. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Yeah, I just got my wife's flowers and I'm going to go give it to her. Woohoo! Love you. I wanna love you. Any kind of way. It's my birthday and I mean they buy flowers. Your mates are getting flowers. Don't worry, you're not lonely. You have Jesus. You have Jesus. Glory.
So I want you to close your eyes. I'll just hold your hand and lead you through. Just close your eyes. It's not much. Oh.
Ah,
Close your eyes.
excited. You are
Sha close your
doing
eyes. Sha close your
spoiling
eyes.
my excitement.
Yeah, Sha close your eyes. Yeah.
I will worship you. Always. I will worship you. Am I okay?
No. Yes, open your eyes.
Yeah. You may now kiss the bride.
So kiss the bride.
Happy birthday to me. Ah, wow. See decoration. See gifts. Oh my lord. Okay. She MacBook ne?
Yeah, I don't know. Better open it.
Can't be a MacBook. It's too. MacBook will be bigger than this. Hey, God of the universe. My wife don't break bank again. Happy birthday. So you keep this and I'll use it for your birthday. That's beautiful. Thank you. Can I open my gifts now?
Yes, you can open your gifts. So hold on, let me arrange the camera for you.
You've not sang for me, oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear hubby, sweetie, darling, lover. Happy birthday to you.
I know what this is.
What is it?
Oh wow, birthday gifts. So which one is birthday gift? Which one is Valentine's gift?
Everything. Bonjour.
I have one question to ask you.
What's the question?
What part of simple and sleek don't you understand?
And this is simple as simple. Not much now. I look at the gifts
Compared to last year,
that I feel cramped.
Let me start with this.
Okay, so yeah, that's the card and stuff like that.
Oh Lord, what have I done to deserve this? So the guy who knows me like a book, you're right about that. And somehow eats the things I cook. See, Ryan. Who puts up with my every whim and makes up when I'm mad at him? Wow, some people they right too. Who sees me when I'm not a beauty? You're always a beauty, baby. The guy who helps with household duty at the try. And when our budget's out of whack, he somehow gets us back on track. Glory to God! My helper, my partner, my wisest advisor, my friend, my companion, my lifetime surpriser, of course, the one I depend on whatever the weather. Through the storm, through the rain, whatever weather, hot or cold. That's beautiful, baby.
Yes, so.
When we took the plunge, glad we took it together. Happy birthday. Babe, to be honest, this is more than what I expected, and it's just touching my heart. I love it. Okay.
So you open the small box here first.
Okay. But babe, I already feel like you've overdone the game. What do you break bank? This one, Abi. My wife too liked the break bank. Anyway, can I tear it? I don't want to make a mess. But...
No, just tear it. Just tear it. It's paper.
Yeah. Oh my God. I just love unwrapping gifts. Kemi Sant, where you are, where we are. What is this? It's an Apple product.
Well, it's not an Apple product per se.
So they just put Apple design in the back.
But it's attached to an Apple product. Open it now. Bring it out. Don't need that screwdriver. You don't need it.
Honestly, I'm clueless.
How you open it like unraveling like this?
You didn't know open well now.
You just drop the screwdriver back.
Okay.
Don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's your new wallet.
My new wallet?
Card holder, yes.
Okay, that's in that you can trace it, Abby.
Yes.
That it cannot get lost.
Yeah, so this is the air tag attached to it that won't allow your wallet to get lost. Then you can stack in your cards in here. This space.
Oh wow.
Band, yes.
So I put my
So you use your finger to just push it.
Push it up like this.
Yes, push
Push the
whatever
card forward.
to come out. Yes.
Wow. I think I've seen an ad about this before.
They have a lot on Instagram.
That you can never lose your stuff again.
And then you can clip money at the back there. Since you don't carry around much cash anyway.
Wow. This is lovely actually. I like it. I'm not a card that has great gadgets, so it's good.
This is the next one.
This one, I think I know what it is. Yeah, and if it is what I think, I'll be so happy. I will be so happy. Yes! Woo-hoo! Can you see the edition first?
Series 8. You're screaming. Is that how I never come downstairs and come and tell us
Yes. 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 Mwah. I didn't kiss this one. The kiss is my seal. Wow, baby. Let me see the strap. Let me see the strap. Woohoo! Woohoo!
I bought the
I like the
army green
blue this
color.
thing.
Yes.
Oh wow. I like it. What this is from the they
Don't
give me
worry.
PTSD.
I felt like you just pick the one you want anyway.
Yeah, we can always change it actually.
Mm-hmm.
Next. Thank you so much, baby. That was beautiful.
Yes.
Take this. Come on, take this.
Yeah. So
Ah,
this is the
babe,
well.
you don't bring back, oh.
So open this first. So this will give you a clue to what is inside this too.
So now, on top this one, you now wanted us to go for
No,
hotel
now I've
getaway.
not decided to buy all this now.
Thank God I refused because I would prefer this than hotel getaway. This
So
chocolate
this will
candy.
give you a clue to what is inside two of them. Oh, you know what? Open this first.
This first?
Yes.
Hey. No, let me see the size. It's not a MacBook. Not a MacBook.
Open it now. I don't want to overanalyze. Just say it. Open it.
I mean, it is. I will scream. I will like I didn't want to say I didn't want to say like I be it is iPad because this look like maybe all this iPad touch.
This is the pencil and this is
Oh God! Babe, you know they hear what? You know they hear what? Don't spend too much. Don't spend too much. You know the greed.
If I don't buy it for you now, you will never buy it because you can't take that much money and buy something like this for yourself.
Ah,
And you've always wanted it. So I was like, you know
iPad
what?
Pro, bro. You feel that right? Pro, bro. Wow, babe, you really broke the bank.
And that's the pencil and the magic keyboard.
Wow. So me say if I don't get iPad now.
Yes, no.
So when we are invited to go and speak now, I just like, can we open to the book of Revelations?
Revelation.
Oh yeah. I think they look like swag, man. But babe, this is so thoughtful. Like, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. When you said this will give me a clue of what's there and there, I'm like, what size it up, because I've been shouting like, I want a MacBook, I want a MacBook, I want a MacBook. But I know that MacBook.
I knew I don't have money
You
for
will probably want to get my spec, which is like 5K.
Exactly. So
this is the pouch or keyboard,
yes,
I mean.
yes, it's a pouch and keyboard altogether.
Wow. Babe, this is how to touch somebody's heart. Too. Very small gifts, very few, but is it black?
I think so. I'm not sure I remember, but I think it's black shark.
Anyway, receipt still the price tag still dey on top. I just dey like, whoo! Wow, that's touching, baby. This is touching. You know, say we go use that together now. If you want to do post where you get iPad, you can take it. Wow. I will unbox this. You know what? Should I try to unbox it now?
I try to unbox it. It's part of the unboxing now.
Whoo, babe. I literally had no clue. This one shocked me. The watch, I was hoping. In fact, I told myself, you know how I used to tell myself that if you did not get something for me, but maybe it's something I want straight for myself, I will make it like a personal gift. Yeah. If there was no watch today, I was going to go tomorrow and buy a watch because it was like high time I needed one. Wow, I don't get iPad, oh, bro. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. God, and it's not as heavy as it used to look. Wow, babe, this is good. This is good.
Only like a baby.
So, Yeah,
You know, just get the.
as we were saying, yeah, the Lord wants your marriage to be great. Let us open to the book of Ezekiel.
Ezekiel, what is it?
Ezekiel chapter 200.
Verse what?
Verse Sister Babe. Wow, babe, this is really touching. I'm serious. You really touched my heart. Okay. This is beautiful. It feels good to be married to a rich woman. Oh. In this life, marry well. Marry well. If your wife don't get money, pray. I'm just joking, though. Wow, Sister Babe, you two they overdo. I say this one is just a small birthday. Let's just now you go.
So do you want to wait till next year to have all this?
Well, I'm happy you bought it. I won't lie because I
Yes,
probably never buy
it's
it.
high time you had it.
Is it? Okay. I was thinking, pay. Sorry, I'm a bush person. If you know me already, you know. Oh wow, it's actually so cute. I don't know how to use it though. So cool, should you buy a lot?
I'm sure you should be able to.
I don't want to break them.
No. You is this one that will bend and then.
Where's my tab? Yes, so
You want to fix your pencil on it.
Oh, pencil. Sorry. Where did I drop pencil?
It should be okay.
Oh. Remind me. But babe, this is wow. Wow. I was really when you were now saying it's not much. I was already thinking that myself, let me not just expect anything serious. So yes.
It's your drama.
So when I'm doing counseling, like you said your husband. Oh, okay. Did you mean that? Oh, okay. Mr. Ababiaka, is it true what your wife said? Is it? Okay. You just touched up the ministry. Bless. Wow, babe, this is touching. Okay, let me give you your own gift. Are you ready for your gift?
I'm ready.
Alright. I need to sit down. Your gift is small, it's Valentine's gift, alright? So I appreciate it like that. It's me that is doing birthday.
Yeah,
So I don't buy you iPad. Let me take this along. Let me open your eyes.
Oh.
Happy Valentine's, baby. I love you.
Oh, I love you. Wow.
And this is your real Valentine's gift.
Oh, I knew you were gonna buy me these.
Yeah.
Wow, so two of us bought each other eye washes.
Guess what? This is.
It's Series 8.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That was I was even surprised that you got me Series 8
Wow.
too.
Thanks, baby.
Love
Oh, and
you.
I love the flowers. Like
I just had to get the
I love the
flowers.
flowers.
You could like flowers.
Oh, so cute. I love you. Smells like us.
Yeah, I always just feels like that. Do you love the gift?
I do. I love them.
Yeah,
So
check this in I got for you.
Ooh. Great.
Yeah.
Great strap. Nice.
I feel like it's more feminine,
Mm-hmm.
and then of course if you don't like it you can always change it.
Of course.
And this one is silver, so it doesn't choose colors of what you're wearing.
Yeah. So the black is like.
You can always buy more.
But this one, you love it though.
Maybe.
I saw it in real life. Like you love it. You love the yeah. It's so nice. This is the.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I love it. I wanted it now.
That's good. I'm glad I got something that's really wanted. My baby. Happy Vows Day. Happy Love Day. Let's take this your flower.
The strap.
I think you like the strap.
Yes.
I think you like it.
And I think you like. By the time I combine it, you see that.
Yeah.
Yes.
And let me try
So
it.
nice.
Let me try the strap too. So I have big hands and it.
Can
Oshé.
you see how it looks?
Yeah, it's more
So
mature.
lovely.
Yeah, it's
I
actually
love
nice.
the color. It's
Okay,
like
nice.
earthy.
I just didn't want this robo thing again, but because from the last what we had, you're already pairing. No time.
No time.
See that it looks really nice. It looks very
I want to
feminine.
create passport though.
Anyway, all right, guys. See you later. We're going to dinner later in the evening, and that will be it. Say bye.
Bye guys. Woo!
Thank you so much, baby. Give me a kiss.
Uncle, share to you. Share to you.
What to you? I am full.
Are you full?
Are you?
Are you okay?
Have you?
Have you eat?
Have you eat? Eat. Have you poo poo? Poo.
So guys, we just finished at the restaurant. It was fun. We had some nice conversations. Maybe we should hold the phone. We had some nice conversations. Nice angle. we had some nice conversations, some heart to Valentine things.
Yeah.
So and it was fun.
Did you enjoy your Valentine, baby?
Yeah, and did you enjoy your birthday?
Oh, the best. The best. You keep surpassing records.
But I think next year I'll just
Yeah, next year let's do something. No, wait, next year. No, you dey whine me. Say you dey whine me. Next year I want a trip. Next year, yes, let's go to Zanzibar. Let's just go out. Let's just, let's travel.
Yeah.
Kiss me. I'll be like,
So guys, we are going out from the mall.
we're going to the car and going home.
Yeah.
Shut the close me. Alright, that's how our Valentine Day went. I hope you guys had a great time. Let us know in the comment section how you enjoyed your Valentine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys.
What's that bar?
Hi guys. We ended the vlog before, but the night just is about to
The night just begun. You will not believe what happened to us.
Guys, we lost our keys.
We lost
And when we say
our keys, like
we
the
mean-
key to our apartment,
Yeah.
our car fob,
Yeah.
then the fob to car park space.
Yeah, in our apartment.
So basically, when we came here, we went to Apple Store first,
Yeah.
just to check on some things. I wanted to get some extra accessories, and I was holding the car key in my hand. Normally, it's always in my wife's bag.
Yeah, but because I think we wanted to pick up.
And I was on the phone with Ben and Debbie. I was distracted. So when you said you were done, we just left. I must have left it there.
Yeah, there's no way.
And we left there, went to the restaurant, have our dinner. We spent time eating. Those ones have already closed since 9 p.m.
Yeah.
We now left the restaurant,
Past
got to the car. So I was like,
10 or something.
yeah, babe, open the door now. She said, no, key is not with me. I said, key is not here.
Literally, we had to go back.
We went back to Apple, they were already closed.
Went back to the restaurant. Because the funny thing about the restaurant was that I double checked the table, I double checked everywhere. Nothing was there.
So we can't get our key until tomorrow,
So what we're doing right now is that we are going home.
We're gonna have to trek home.
We're trekking home in the cold. I mean, it's like 3 degrees outside. And
we're gonna have to trek.
With that jackets, because I mean, it was supposed to be just from the house.
Yeah,
to
we're gonna have to trek home, and then hopefully we get the concierge with extra key into the apartment. We have extra fob, extra car fob, and all those things. We'll now come back to get the car. So that the car is for the key. Anyway, it's about to be a long night.
Yes.
Normally, before this, it's supposed to be a long night because I wanted to edit this video tonight.
Yeah.
My wife still had some work to do tonight.
Yeah.
I don't even know what's going to happen tonight, but it is well. This is the update. Life happens. Never again, though. This one, PTSD. Never again.
Actually, sometimes some things happen just so that you never repeat.
Anyway,
guys, we are going to this place. Guys, so we found a way to get into our apartment.
Of course, the
concierge has extra keys, so we're able to get in, and then we have extra key We have an extra key for the house. Then we have an extra key. Yeah, go up here. Then we have an extra key for the house. Then we have an extra fob for the car. So thank God for all these extras. Like literally, thank God. Yeah, see us climbing escalator because the mall is literally closed. Like I've never seen the mall this closed before. Like everything is short, even lights are lower and stuff like that.
But at least the benefit to all this is that we get to take a walk because
As in, we're literally walking
yeah,
and walking,
because
walking
I didn't work
around.
out today, so at least my workout goal is
Yeah,
somewhat
like being teeth and all that.
it is well.
We're so tired.
Come
Anyway,
back tomorrow, get our key.
yeah, so at least we are taking the car home now, which is good. We're going to be able to take the car home. We don't have to leave it outside. So just somebody hopefully protecting it or something.
It's just not safe.
It's just not
Even
safe.
though it's almost safe. Like, I spoke to the security guys.
Yeah, they said
They're
they'll keep
like,
an
they're
eye
gonna
on
keep an eye
it. Blah,
on it
blah,
and
blah.
make sure that okay, it's not stored or anything. Regardless of our still.
They're like, you know what? Let's just try and get this key and this car back home, and then at least we can sleep home. My hand is paining me. Yeah, at least we can sleep at home tonight. God did it for us. This is like
You don't have to go and
we
get
don't have to go and
a guest house or an hotel or a hotel or something.
or start calling one of
Start
our
calling
friends.
one of our friends.
We need a place
If
to
they
stay.
happen, it's good to have to exercise there
Well,
now.
I mean, we're literally going to be like, this is like a lesson, forever lesson. Like, we can't make this mistake again.
That's something about me.
There's just no way.
I can't
All
make
the
it.
days I've been holding the key, used to give me the key. The day we know, we used to have seen the percussion.
Apart from that, I don't just hold the key in my hand. I'll put it in my pocket.
Pocket at least.
When I hold something in my hand and I go somewhere that has a table, I always drop everything in my hand to talk.
Right?
So if I get distracted and I don't pick it back, that's the only time I forget it. So
Yeah. So
my lesson is don't put anything in your hand again.
yeah, don't put anything.
Ah.
Yeah,
Momo, this vlog was not supposed to be this long.
so approaching our baby. As in, this is literally the first time we're using that spare form. First time. Anyway, it's good to just have spares, Sha.
It's always good to have spare.
Spare key, spare fob. Thank God for those spares.
My man, I'm just like, thank God, I did.
Literally,
As the people are in the car just talking. O'Shea.
they're just
Most of these cars are just, should we do our own Valentine date in the car? Jam on Lole. Oh, yeah, open the car, unlock the car. Ah, Akbe Oluwa mi o. Thank God it was not in Nigeria. I forgot my car key.
You're always shading Nigeria, Sha. Always find ways to shade Nigeria every time. Eh? Is it good?
I wouldn't have met my car at the parking lot again.
Because once somebody finds the key, they will start looking for.
They will go to all the parking lot one by one.
They will
And be
start
trying.
looking.
Anyway, guys, that was how my birthday and our Valentine's Day went.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, I just try like
maybe only you get lights.
Yeah.
So that was how my birthday and our Valentine's Day went. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It wasn't supposed to be this long, but
At all.
thank you for enjoying it along with us. And we'll see you in our next video.
Alright, guys.
So keep loving and keep believing.
We are
We are the
Stalwart
Stalwart lovers.
lovers.
God bless you.